If we go back to 1908, many people will know that an event took place in Siberia. It's called the Tunguska event. That date, June 1908, is one of the two periods in the year, June and November, when the Earth passes through the Taurid meteor stream. And what happened there was that an object that's estimated to have been about 100 meters in diameter blew up in the air over Siberia. It flattened 2,000 square miles of trees. It was an uninhabited area. Nobody was killed. But if that had happened over a major city, it would have been cataclysmic.
Yes, the power of that event has been estimated based upon the destruction. And the equivalent of that was about a 15 megaton hydrogen bomb. So it's got this tremendous amount of potential energy. It comes in so fast that the atmosphere can't move out of the way. The atmosphere piles up in front of it, becomes like a brick wall, and the object exploded maybe 5 miles up.